Find the equations of tangents to the parabola y square equal to 16x, which are parallel and parallel parallel and perpendicular respectively to the line 2x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Write the answer. Given parabola is y square equal to 16x. 4a value 16, a value 4. Next, given line is given line is given line is 2x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Listen, equation of the tangent. This is the given parabola. This is the given line. Find the parallel tangent. First case, parallel tangent. These two are parallel lines. So parallel lines are differ by a constant 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. To find the value of k, we apply ln equal to am square formula. Ln equal to am square. Next, second case, perpendicular tangent. This is the given line. This is the perpendicular tangent. Interchange xy coefficients plus L plus k equal to 0. For k value, we apply same ln equal to am square. First, parallel tangent. Parallels are differ by a constant only. Next, perpendicular tangent. Interchange xy coefficients, middle symbol and constant. To find the k value, we apply the tangent condition ln equal to am square. Note down. Case 1. Take this diagram. Case 1. Case 1. Equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent parallel to 1. Equation of the tangent parallel to 1 is 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. L value 2, m value minus 1, n value k. Tangent condition is tangent condition is ln equal to am square, l value 2, n value k, a value 4, m value minus 1 whole square, 2k equal to 4, k value 2. Therefore, parallel tangent is 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Second case, take this diagram. Second case, equation of the tangent perpendicular to 1 perpendicular to 1 is x plus 2y plus k equal to 0. Interchange xy coefficients, middle symbol and constant. L value 1, m value 2, n value k. Tangent condition is ln equal to am square, l value 1, n value k, a value 4, m square value 2 square, k value 16. Therefore, perpendicular tangent is x plus 2y where k value 16 equal to 0. Next, listen again. This is the given line. Find the parallel tangent and perpendicular tangent. Parallel line differ by a constant. Perpendicular line interchange xy coefficients, middle symbol and constant. In both cases, tangent condition is ln equal to am square. So in this case, k value 16, k value 2. Next, SAQ1. SAQ 1 lo 1. Find the equation of the tangent. Find the equation of the tangent. 2y square equal to 16x inclined inclined an angle in angle 60 degrees, angle 60 degrees with the x-axis. Also find point of contact. Also find point of contact. Solution. Given parabola is y square equal to 16x. 4a value 16, a value 4, given theta equal to 60 degrees. Listen, in this problem not given the point, given the tangent line makes an 60 degrees with the axis line. Axis line means x-axis. So by using this one, calculate slope. Slope m equal to tan theta. Listen. M equal to tan theta. Tan 60 value √3. So equation of the tangent in the slope form, that is y equal to mx plus a by m, and point of contact a by m square 2a by m. He wants these two values, equation of the tangent and point of contact. In this formula, m is the slope of the tangent. So write down, given theta equal to 60 degrees, tan theta m equal to slope m equal to tan theta tan 60, that equal to √3. Next, equation of the tangent, equation of tangent in slope form, is y equal to mx plus 2, m value √3, x, a value 4 by √3, LCM, √3 into √3 3, x plus 4 by cross multiplication √3y equal to 3x plus 4. So 3x minus √3y plus 4 equal to 0. 3x minus √3y plus 4 equal to 0. Second question, point of contact a by m square, comma 2a by m, a value 4, m square √3 whole square, 2 into a value 4 by √3, 4 by 3 comma 8 by root 3. Listen again. We apply these two formulas when slope is given. We apply these two formulas when slope of the tangent line is given. Remember that point. Next, SAQ 1 second. Show that the line, show that the line x minus 2y plus 4a equal to 0 touches y square equal to 4x. Also find point of contact. This is the given parabola, this is the given line. Show that this line touches the parabola. That means we apply the tangent condition. Ln equal to am square. Next point of contact, m by l minus 2am by l. In the previous problem, m is the slope. When slope is given, we apply that formula. In this problem given, Lx plus my plus n. Point of contact formula is this one. Tangent condition is this one. Write the answer. Given parabola is y square equal to 4x. 4a equal to 4a. 4 cancel. A value a. Given line is x minus 2y plus 4a equal to 0. Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. L value 1, m value minus 2, n value 4a. First show that this condition. Calculate Ln value. Ln equal to 1 into 4a. 4a. am square. A value a. M value minus 2. Whole square. 4a square. 4a. So LHS value 4a, RHS value also equal 4a. From 3 and 4. From 3 and 4. Ln equal to am square. Therefore, second line touches the parabola 1, touches the parabola 1. Second question, point of contact. We apply these values in this one. Next, point of contact is n by L minus 2am by L. N value 4a by L value 1 minus 2, a value a, m value minus 2 by L value 1, 4a, 4 minus minus plus, 4a, 4a comma 4a. Next, fourth one, find the equation of tangent and normal, tangent and normal to the parabola, y square equal to 8x, y square equal to 8x at 2 comma 4, at 2 comma 4. Listen, this is the parabola equation, this is the given point. Equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. Listen, equation of the tangent is S1 equal 0. Equation of the normal. Normal is always perpendicular to the tangent at this point of contact. So first we calculate tangent equation. After that one we calculate this normal equation. Write down. Given parabola is S is identically equal to y square equal to 8x. Given point is P 2 comma 4 x1 y1. Equation of the tangent at P is S1 equal to 0, y1 8 by 2 x plus x1, y1 value 4, x1 value 2, 4 cancel, x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. Next, second one is a equation of the normal. Normal is perpendicular to tangent. So, listen. Interchange xy coefficients, middle symbol and constant. That is x plus y plus k equal to 0. 1 1. Interchange 1 1. Minus becomes to plus. C becomes to k. For this k value, substitute this point. Then we get k value. Write down. Equation of the normal. Equation of the normal is x plus y plus k equal to 0. Equation number 2. Next, P 2 4 lies on 2. So 2 plus 4 plus k equal to 0. K value minus 6. Therefore, from 2, normal equation is x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Next, SAQ, second problem. Show that the condition that the line y equal to mx plus c, y equal to mx plus c to be a tangent to the parabola, x square equal to 4ay is c equal to minus am square. In the morning class, given parabola is y square equal to 4x. Note that point. Morning class, parabola equation is y square equal to 4x. Condition is c equal to a by m. But in this problem, given this parabola, line is same. So proof is same like morning theorem. First parabola equation, P x1 y1 point of contact, equation of the tangent, given tangent line, 1 and 2 represent same line. Similarly that one. Write down the given parabola is S is identically equal to x square minus 4ay equal to 0, equal to 0, let p x1 y1, let p x1 y1 be point of contact, point of contact, equation of the tangent, equation of the tangent at P is S1 equal to 0, S1 equal to 0, x1 minus 4 by 2 into y plus y1 equal to 0. 2 table, 2 times cancel. x1 x minus 2ay 2ay minus 2y1 equal to 0. Equation number 1. Next, given tangent line is y equal to mx plus c, mx minus y plus c equal to 0. Next, 1 and 2 represents same line, write the formula. Quotient of x by quotient of x, quotient of y by quotient of y, constant by constant, x quotient x1 by x quotient m, quotient of y minus 2a by quotient of y minus 1 minus 2y1 by c. Emma? Constant minus 2a. Okay, sorry. 2a y1. SS. 2a y1. 2a y1. Okay. First take these two. x1 by m equal to 2a. Minus cancel. So x1 value 2am. Next, take these two. Minus 2a y1 by c equal to 2a. 2a cancel. y1 equal to minus c. Therefore, p x1 y1 2am minus c. Substitute P point in the parabola equation. P lies on S equal to 0. X square equal to 4ay. X value 2am whole square equal to 4a. Y value minus c. 4 a square m square equal to minus 4ac. 4 cancel. A cancel. Therefore, C equal to minus A m square. C equal to minus A m square. Tomorrow class is the most important. There is a 3 example sums. They are the most important for 7 marks. Okay.